guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Top Secret R35. Today we have a special video. No Forza. I'm actually showing you guys my new project car that I bought, and I'm really happy. I don't have words to describe how happy I am. It's gonna be a nightmare, but it's gonna be the best nightmare I've ever had. Show you guys some redeeming factors, show you guys bad factors, and I'm gonna get started hopefully today. And yeah, let's get into it. So firstly, just a little overview. 1984 Volkswagen Rabbit L. This car was, I think it was built in Philadelphia. So it's a US spec Rabbit. It's got the 1.7 CIS fuel injected engine. So I'm not sure where to start, but I think I'm going to start with the negatives and where the problems are per se. And then after that I'll go into the redeeming factors, so stick around. So obviously, first problem is that it's got some rust. It's not a lot, but it will need to be addressed. One spot is over there on the fender, and then another spot is down over here, which will need to be addressed. I am just going to buy a whole new rear valance, I think, and just put it on. So yes, it's got rust. They're not a big deal though. And then the second problem is a common Golf problem, is that it's got electronic issues. So firstly, the gas gauge does not work. The temperature gauge does not work. The speedometer does not work. It actually has about 140,000 miles as per previous owner. So that was all suck. And then while I was driving to work the other day in the rain, I figured out the window wipers don't work either. So just the normal Golf things. I could probably go through all of those in one shot, hopefully. And obviously it's got the clock over here, which I'm going to change. I'm probably going to get a cluster from an MK2 and change that. And you see, all those problems scare the hell out of me, but I'll be able to figure it out. And then another weird thing is that while you're driving, you have to manually put the fan on. Listen. And when you come to a stop or turn the car off, you need to turn the fan off. So I need to actually link that to the ignition and to the thermostat, and I'll probably get to that when the temperature gauge gets fixed. And then moving along onto another bad and good thing is that it does have 15x7 original ATS cups. I think they 20mm offset or something like that, and they look great. One side is currently painted white, so I don't know if I'm going to finish these myself. I'm going to most likely, I want to get them professionally finished, just because, you know, it's the wheels, and even though I could do it myself, I rather just have them done and looking good. So carrying on with the exterior, I mean, body wise it's in good shape. It does have an occasional, I mean, yep, you can see over there, it does have like 3 spots of hail damage here on the top, but it is the original color, so that's nice, you know. And then on the other side, I'm pretty sure my low budget camera can pick this up, but this door has been painted a different color. I think they tried to stop the rust over there. But I mean, I laid on the floor, but I might as well show you guys. I mean, it's not bad, you know. I'm looking at, like, I'm thinking about my previous car. My previous car was falling apart. The rust is very, very minimal. So this is a good condition example. Alright, so on to the positives though. It does have these cool ass square lights, US spec, which are nice. He has put clear indicator lenses on, which are flippin' nice as well. He did buy Euro spec bumpers, which are about $400, front and rear bumpers, like I was saying. Everything is very original. Everything is like not been touched in that sense. And then under the hood is where I'm getting most of my value from. As you can see over here, brand new alternator, brand new starter motor, brand new battery, which isn't secured right now, but I did buy the little piece that goes down there, so that's on its way. The motor starts up, runs. I haven't had a problem with it yet. Gears shift smoothly. There was a clutch installed about a year ago, so really it's a flippin' good running Golf, you know. And I paid a good price for it. The mirrors, these are brand new. The old one was broken, but he had ordered them already. These here move too easily. There is a screw in here that I need to tighten. I think that might solve my problem. And then another bonus concerning the car is that it does come with the NRG steering hub, so I can put any flippin' 6-bolt awesome steering wheel on, Ooh, Sparko, Momo, OMP, what you guys thinking? I do have brand new control arms that I will be installing, and I do have a front bushing kit for said control arms, etc. Here are the old indicator slash blinker lights. Those are terrible. So yeah, guys, for the upcoming future, you guys are going to be seeing like some deep cleaning videos. That's what I want to do first. Clean, polish, take the wheels off, look underneath. Oh, by the way, it does have Raceland coilovers, but they like, apparently they're the coilovers for high school students, so not too impressive, but still sits nice and low. I can't reverse up my driveway, I beach myself, which sucks. And then once I evaluate, I'm going to start with the cluster, fix the electricals, and hopefully down the line, do some more fun stuff, you know. I posted a picture of myself with this car on Reddit, and I absolutely blew up. I got over 11,000 views, 200 comments, 1,300 upvotes on our project car, and people just love it. You know, a guy from where I live, Minnesota, actually offered to buy the car from me already. So I am so chuffed. Like, the support has been great. I hope all my YouTube subscribers, like the car, like what I'm going to do with it. I'll try to get videos out as often as possible. Working full time, not making excuses, but it's tough. And I want to enjoy this car. I'm hoping by next spring I can drive this thing flat out, no problems. Overall, I just want to have a reliable, fun street car with some racing heritage, if you know what I mean. So hit like, hit subscribe. Let's see what we can do to this bad boy.
I feel good. You look good. You guys are amazing. Let's go.